So here we have given a number, we have to return true or false based on if the value is power of 4 or not. So 16 is a power of 4, we are returning true. Same for 5, it's not, so we have written false. Same n is equals to 1, then we have to return a true. So for this, what we can do, we have to check, let's take an example. We cannot use any built-in function here. So for this, what we can do, if we divide 16 by 4, this will give us 4, and now our value is 4. If we again divide by 4, this return 1, which is a valid case, and we have to return true here. Now if we take another example with the 5 divided by 4 will give us 1.25, which is not a valid case. But for this, we have to check if it's exactly divisible by 4 or not. So for this, we can use an operator called mod operator. So for mod, if you can see how mod works, so for if 16 is exactly divisible by 4, it will give us 0. Now if we take an example of 5, this will return the remaining value 1. In the same way, if we do 6, 7, for exactly divisible numbers, this will give us true. Okay, we can utilize this to check if it's exactly divisible by a number or not. So for this, we can do n mod 4 is equals to 0 or not. If it's a 0, then simply do n equals to n divided by 4, and in the end we can simply return here, if a value is 1, n is equals to 1. It's as simple as that. Now let's try to code it. Mod 4 is equals to 0. If it's the case, we can do n equals to n divided by 4 and return either n is equals to 1. You can also write a base case as well. If n is less than equals to 0, simply return false here. For space and time complexity, it would be log 4n, because we kept on decreasing it by 4, and space complexity is of 1.